Hey, this is Edwin. I want to teach you how to play the E chord. This is what it looks like. Alright, and this is how you play it. So, all you got to do, we're going to take our middle finger first, go to the 2nd fret. This is the 2nd fret right here. Okay, when you're ready, go to the 2nd fret, and after that, all you got to do, 2nd string from the top, grab your middle finger, and then you got to hit the 2nd string from the top with your middle finger. And that's the note of what it sounds like. Alright, now we're going to grab our ring finger. It's going to be the 3rd string from the top on the 2nd fret. So it's right underneath that middle finger right there. It looks like an E minor at this point. Okay, now all you got to do is grab your index finger right here, get your index, leave the 2 fingers right there, and then all you got to do is hit the G string, and it's going to be the 3rd string from the bottom, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's going to be on the 1st fret. This is what it sounds like. Okay, now just to give you a better angle, this is what it looks like. And when I play it all together, it's going to be all six strings of strumming it. Okay, let's review. We're going to use our middle finger, go to the 3rd fret, 2nd string from the top, right? And then after that, you got to use your ring finger, 3rd string from the top. Again, this is an E minor. And then you're going to go to the 1st fret using your index finger, 3rd string from the bottom, which is the G string. And all together, this is an E chord.